Who wants to play with Hot Wheels?
Oh, you have to go a little bit later. So you guys have to try it.
Hot Wheels.
Hello?
Grant.
I've already done it multiple times.
Oh yeah, you have.
Going backwards? I'm confused.
So,
No, I know you.
no. You put the car here.
And then you slam it, and then but it
No. It's a controlled hit. Your goal is to slam it with enough force to get it through the loop-de-loop, stop right at that upper, right there.
Oh, and land right in
the... tips the whole thing forward, which kills the dinosaur, which for some reason puts the car in the middle of jail, so, on the bottom.
Okay.
Not hard enough.
Not enough.
How do you reset it?
Please hit that like you're an adult.
I don't want to break it. I break shit. You see these? They're not just for looks.
Almost.
Close!
Andre just wrecked it.
Wreck shit.
Wrecked him. Damn near killed him.
Can you come get your husband who's breaking things?
Breaking shit. Okay, this car's got an alignment problem. Excuse
Or
me.
craftsmen that uses their tools.
Operator error.
First of all, that's a Mazda rotary engine pickup.
Well, it kind of overshot.
Don't worry, I already took the, there's like a GT3 or a GT2 that I care about, and I took it out of here. I was like, nope, that car's not going flying. All these I don't care about.
But
I don't
that's a
even know
Mazda rotary engine pickup. It's a pretty obscure vehicle.
This looks like a Civic? No, this is a.
Are they even making Paganis anymore? Does
I
anyone
have
know?
no idea.
Pagani supercar.
This is a Super Volt. Super Volt.
Super fabulous. Oh!
I almost got it.
Almost.
So close. Because the whole track will split.
Yeah.
Oh,
That-
bro.
When Dukes of Hazzard goes wrong.
Da-da-da-da-da-da-da-da. Oh.
Ish.
Wah,
Ish.
wah, wah.
Oh, look, he's ready. He's date ready.
You're wild.
God.
Emma!
Oh my goodness. So you know what's a bummer? When we put this together, we didn't save the box, and we
So
didn't
nobody
put all
knows
the
the objective.
stickers on.
I think they're trying to get it in the garage.
Oh, okay.
Oh, that's
There you
good.
go.
Good,
There's
Sorry, I
There
haven't been
for
a
you.
kid in a long time.
good looking out.
Backwards.
I got the trucking bag.
Oh, bro.
38 years.
TNF.
I want this one. This looks like a mustard. Oh no, it's a Charger. Challenger.
Oh,
Wrecked.
give it a little more
Dodge.
beans.
It's not 330.
Rectum.
Rectum.
Damn near killed him.
Oh, that's
Almost there.
Oh,
That's not as close as the second to last one.
oh.
It's like a balance game.
I've never been able to get the front and the back like that though.
Don't like the fuck off. This is a Corvette. No. Yes, actually. Maybe I have better luck.
The Corvette's.
Bam! Whammy.
Oh.
No whammies, no whammies, no whammies, no
Corvettes flip
whammies.
over just as easily.
That goes all the way in.
What do you guys do? Play with all this. Why?
Oh!
Oh.
So close. I feel like I fucking.
Grant
water.
got legitimately excited about that.
Oh!
Oh, you just had a
Now you wrecked it.
dinosaur bridge there.
That was premature.
Oh.
That almost did it.
That almost did it.
Yo.
I can see my kids have fun with this.
Yeah. I would think that someone would get frustrated though. I don't know what the age bracket is for this, but you have to hit it pretty hard.
Yeah. Oh, damn it.
Oh, dude.
At least I got him to go.
You're
fast
right
enough.
there.
Oh, all right.
Too much.
Take it easy way.
Whammy, no whammy.
Yay.
Yes-ish.
On the wheels, it's good.
Wait, I thought the wind was when you got it to go back here.
Yeah, he hit it a little bit too hard.
Yeah, you
So
wanted
the
to,
thing
you wanted
has to
get-
flop
You wanted
it
to
in.
get back up here before.
He wanted to get it there,
And
and
then
it
it'll
tips
tip
back,
over.
it unlocks,
come
but it
back?
won't
Yeah,
tip
goes,
over.
And look, his eyes are dead.
Yeah, that's
I thought it was just like
This
really
is
cool, like,
ridiculous.
yeah, that's
I think it's cool.
That's a game of chance.